Today, let's make mojitos. These are 3 classic mojitos which are my favorite as a barista. I'm going to be showing you how you can make each of these mojitos step by step. These are amazing, refreshing drinks that you can add on your menu as a barista, or you can make them at home. You don't need to have much experience to make these 3 classic mojitos. These are the 2 tools that you're going to need to make these 3 mojitos. So without wasting any time, let's start making these mojitos. The first mojito is going to be the lime and mint mojito. The second mojito is going to be the strawberry mojito. And the third mojito, which is my favorite mojito, is the passion fruit mojito. This is a lime and mint mojito. For us to make our mojito, we're going to start with our glass. I'm using a 12-ounce glass. I'm going to be adding 40 ml of simple syrup in it, then adding 40 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice into the glass, then slice a full lime in 2 wedges. Add also 5 grams of fresh mint. Mash everything together using a muddler. After this, add in your ice. You can use ice block or ice cubes. Then top it up with soda water. After adding soda water, then next we're going to be mixing everything using a mocktail spoon. And the final step, when we are making our mojito, we're going to be garnishing it with a round sliced lime on top of the glass. This is how you can make lime and mint mojito. This is a strawberry mojito. A strawberry mojito is made out of strawberries, and this is how you can make it. For the strawberry mojito, we're going to be using the same glass, which is the 12-ounce glass. Add 40 ml of strawberry syrup into the glass. Then you're going to need 2 strawberries, which you're going to slice into small slices. Add it in the glass. Add 15 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then next, you're going to be adding 3 grams of fresh mint in the glass. Smash all the ingredients together using a muddler. Then add ice in the glass. Then fill up with soda water. Mix everything using a mocktail spoon, and the final step is garnishing the strawberry mojito. You're going to need 1 strawberry, slice it into 4 slices, then put it on top of the glass. This is how you can make a strawberry mojito. And this is a passion fruit mojito. The passion fruit mojito is my personal favorite of all these 3 mojitos. This is because I love passion fruit. So when we are making the passion fruit mojito, you're going to add 45 ml of the passion fruit mixer syrup into the glass. Add 3/4 of lime. Then you're going to need 1 fresh passion fruit. Cut it into a half. Then add 1/2 into the glass. Add 3 grams of fresh mint. Mash all the ingredients together using a muddler. After, add ice in the glass. Then fill up your glass with soda water. Evenly mix up all the ingredients using the mocktail spoon. And for the garnish of the passion fruit mojito, you're going to be just adding the remaining half of the passion fruit on top of the glass, and this is how you can make a passion fruit mojito like a professional barista. This is how you can make these 3 mojitos. If you have any question or anything you didn't understand while making these 3 mojitos, make sure to link it in the comment section below. But if you want to know more about the different drinks that I would recommend for you to add on your coffee menu, if you're someone who likes iced coffees, I would recommend for you to watch this video next, because it's a full guide explaining to you how you can make different iced coffees as a barista.